Alright, what's going on, everyone? Going to go ahead and run this 5-box archives break. It's all filled up. Yes sir, some baseball breaks. We got 30 spots. All 30 spots are taken. Have all the names here with the spots. All 30 MLB teams. We're going to put all 30 teams here in the randomizer, and this will determine the team that you get for the break. And let's roll the dice and see how many times we will be running it. 4 times. Here we go. Then I'll take all 30 of these teams and place them next to your names, and that will be the teams that you get. Here we go, 4th time. And then we will rip. Oops. A little issue there. Here we go. All right. And here we go. Here we go. So there's the teams next to everyone's names. And we'll go ahead and rip. What's up, Tyler Freeman Collector? What's going on? Is Matty Ice. Here we go. We're going to rip 5 boxes here of archives. Put my gloves on. Better safe than sorry, right? And we will see who gets the hits from the box as we start. Let's get some 1 of 1s. Let's get some big hits. Here we go. Good luck, everyone who joined. Thank you for the quick fill. Let's get these going. All right, box number 1 is going to... It's a redemption. That's a good sign. Redemptions are 1 of 1s. Paul Goldschmidt. Here we go. Paul Goldschmidt is the first hit. And from my experience, all the redemptions in archives have been 1 of 1s. So that's a good sign. All right, let's see what's in the next box. Number 2. Paul Goldschmidt is with the Cardinals, so that's going to Brandon B. The last spot. Here we go. Box 2. I pulled a Yelich 1 of 1 redemption, not the rookie, but a regular one. All right, Allen and Ginter for the Phillies. Rhys Hoskins, 12 of 27. Very nice. Going to the Phillies. That's for Brent R. Congrats, Brent. Good hit there. All right, let's see what's next. We got number 3. Superior Memorabilia. What's up? Welcome, man. You got the first hit already. You got a Goldschmidt redemption. Should be a 1 of 1. Based on my experience with the redemptions on these, everyone's been getting 1 of 1s out of those. So here we go. Box number 3. Catcher Yasmani Grandal for the Padres. For the San Diego Padres. Nice hit there out of 37. 17 out of 37 going to Eric. Congrats, Eric. That's number 3. Here's number 4. Yeah, good last spot mojo there. All right, box number 4. Let's see what we got. Is it a White Sox? It's a Twins. Jorge Polanco out of 59. Jorge Polanco for the Twins out of 59. Going to Larry. Congrats, Larry. That's number 4. Some good hits so far. Let's see what we got here in the last box of the break. Number 5. Good luck, everyone. Hopefully another 1 of 1. Maybe a Vlad Jr. Tatis would be nice. Acuna would be great. Let's see. out of 27. Diamondbacks, Peralta, David Peralta. Very nice. For Eric, congrats. So Eric with 2 hits out of this one. The Yasmani Grandal and the David Peralta. Very nice. Congratulations. There's our 5 hits for the break. Thank you all for joining. We got the Goldschmidt 1 of 1 redemption. David Peralta for the Diamondbacks out of 27. Jorge Polanco out of 59. Rhys Hoskins out of 27. And Yasmani Grandal, one of my favorite catchers, for the San Diego Padres. Congratulations, guys. I will upload this right now so everyone can watch it later. And I'll be right back on to do some treasure pack hit drafts. Please hop back on and join me, guys. It's going to be a lot of fun. Thank you all.